Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a look at the Speakeasy Leather Diavella Minimalist Wallet. Let's check it out. So I've already recorded the unboxing of the Speakeasy Diavella wallet, and if you guys want to see that first, I'll leave a link below in my description box. And let me give you guys a nice close-up of the Diavella Minimalist Wallet by Speakeasy Leather. And while you guys are checking this out, love that. Let's talk about some of the features. So when choosing your wallet, you have your choices of different leather and 5 different colors. The leather that I have here is the Minimalist Carlo Italian dark brown leather. You also have your choice of snaps, thread color, and logo combinations. Inside, it can hold up to 6 credit cards. And since this is the new version of the Diavella wallet, it can now hold your cash folded in half. And everything is made right here in the USA, in Cleveland, Ohio to be exact. Alright, so that's enough of the quick features. Let's talk dimensions. So the Diavella wallet comes in at 2.95 inches by 3.9 inches. And I measured the thickness with nothing in it, and it came in at 0.22 inches. And according to my weight test, it weighs 1.2 ounces. That's 34 grams. All right, so check out this card here. This is just an insert that you receive with the wallet. And I absolutely love this little logo by Speakeasy Leather. Turn it to the back side and you can see some of their socials here, so go check those guys out. And I believe this is my very first wallet made of the Minimalist Carlo Italian leather. And so far, I really like this leather. It's an exceptional feeling and looking leather. So I'll get in really close so you guys can check out the craftsmanship here. So you can see the nice stitching on the sides there. Let me turn it around so you guys can check out the back side there. And very nice work on the burnishing right here on the sides. I think this is awesome work here. Now this is available in 5 different colors, but if you decide to go with this Minimalist Carlo Italian dark brown, it's an $8 upcharge. So just be aware of that if you want to go with this exact leather. And then you can see I chose the orange thread, and I think it just pops on this dark brown here. So I really like this color combination of the dark brown and orange. And then you also get 2 choices of color with the snap here. There's a matte black color, but I went with the antiqued brass look. Now you also have your choice of logo that appears on the back here. If you go with the full Speakeasy logo, it's going to look like this right here. And then there's a standard head and a small head, which is just the guy's head here without the body. Now, like I said, I've been carrying this for about a week now, and on the website it says it can carry 6 cards comfortably. Well, I carry 7 cards, and I got 7 cards in here, no problem at all. So right here I have 7 of my flat demo cards, and it's really easy to insert your cards. We have the opening right there on the top. Just stick them in all at once like that. So as you can see, I have 7 total cards in the Diavella wallet, and there's room for more. And of course, over time, the leather will form and mold to your cards, but 7 cards, I think, is a perfect amount of cards for this wallet. And one thing I really like about this wallet is the functionality. So we have this thumb slot right here in the center of the front. So that gives you 2 different ways to cycle through your cards. So you can just swipe through your cards like this, and then you can actually see right through the little thumb slot which card is next, and just choose your card that way. Or as you can see right here, there's a little cutout on the top, so you can just pull your cards all up at once and use my favorite method, the fan method, to choose your cards. That always seems to be the easiest way in these minimalist wallets. But either way you choose, it's super functional, and I really like that about this wallet. So what about if you're a cash carrier? Well, the Diavella wallet has a whole pocket in the back dedicated to cash. And as I mentioned before, the new Diavella wallet allows you to carry your bills only folded in half. In this new version of the Diavella wallet, you don't have to fold your bills into quarters or thirds. You can easily just leave your bills folded in half. And you can see right here, your bills fit back there pretty nicely. And they'll stay pretty securely back there once everything's snapped up. So for a minimalist wallet, I really love the cash carrying solution that this wallet offers. So as you can see, this is a really simple design, but it offers everything that I want in a minimalist wallet. And there's also little design features here that I didn't even notice at first. I spoke with Rob over at Speakeasy Leather, the designer and maker of this wallet, and he pointed out a little design feature to me. If you guys look in the center of this wallet here, I know I can't really show it well on camera. Maybe I'll try to get a picture of it and flash it on screen right here. But on this middle piece of leather here at the very bottom, there's a little cutout, almost like the cutout you see right here on the top. So along with that cutout, he actually folded the leather on the bottom to create a gusset. Now that cutout and gusset create a little bit of a separation on the very bottom of this wallet. So basically, in a nutshell, that creates less friction to help get your cards in and out of the wallet easier as the wallet wallet breaks in. Oh, there we go. You can see that cutout right there on the bottom when I open this back flap. So it's just little things like that I appreciate, little things that go unnoticed that the designer and maker of the wallet actually think about. And for someone like me who reviews a lot of wallets, that just goes above and beyond. And another thing I notice about Speakeasy leather wallets are that they're easily identifiable. There's a few companies out there making leather wallets that are very identifiable. OpenSea Leather, Craft & Lore are just a few companies off the top of my head where I can see one of their wallets laying on a table and know exactly who made it. And I think Speakeasy Leather has that going for them. I think they have a very unique style and I really like it. And also real quick before I go over my likes and dislikes of the Diavella wallet, I wanted to mention this coin slip. If you guys saw my unboxing video of the Diavella wallet, you're gonna know that I showed you this coin slip and I was gonna let you know if it came with the wallet or not. And no, it does not come with the wallet. So if you are interested in the Speakeasy leather coin slip, I'll leave links below in my description box. All right, guys, let's talk about what I like about the Diavella wallet. First, I love the quality of materials and the craftsmanship that Rob puts into his wallets. You can just see the care that he puts into these wallets just based on the stitching and burnishing alone. And I absolutely love this Badalassi Carlo Italian leather here. Yes, it is an extra charge for this leather, but if you guys want to pay the extra $8, go with this one. I love all the different options for thread color, the different snap choices, and even the different logo choices. And I love the functionality here. You can either take your cards out with this thumb slot here or just use the cutout and use the fan method. And for a minimalist wallet to offer a cash carrying solution by only folding your bills in half, that's a win for me. And let's talk about the price for a minute. The price of this is only $59.95. Yes, you have to add $8 to that if you want this specific leather, but if you don't want this leather, it's under 60 bucks. And for under $60 to get this quality of a leather wallet, I think it's a great deal. All right, let's talk about what I don't like about the Diavella wallet. In every one of my videos, I have to pick something I don't like about this wallet, and I'm really struggling to find something here. I guess if I had to pick something is that it doesn't hold many credit cards, but it's a minimalist wallet and it fits my 7 cards perfectly. But I know a lot of you guys out there like thin wallets, but still have to carry more than 7 cards. And that's basically it. I can't think of any other negatives about the Diavella wallet. So would I recommend the Speakeasy Diavella minimalist wallet? Absolutely. I think for a minimalist wallet, this has everything that I've been looking for. The ability to hold 7 credit cards in the card pocket here. The cash carrying solution where I only have to fold the bills in half. It's extremely pocketable. It fits well in the front pocket. And just looking at the build quality here, I have no doubt that this will last years. And to be honest with you guys, I think I'm going to put down my current EDC wallet, which is the Hubei by OpenSea Leather. And I think I'm going to start carrying this for a little bit longer. That's right. The Diavella is knocking off my current EDC wallet. And it's gonna see a lot more pocket time. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Speakeasy Leather Diavella Minimalist Wallet? I want to thank Rob over at Speakeasy Leather for letting me check this bad boy out. But he's also providing a special code just for my subscribers. It's a 20% off code, so I'll have that in my description box below. Also, there will be links below if you guys want to check out the Diavella wallet for yourself. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!